Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Tuesday, November 16th, 2021. I just wanted to shoot a quick proof video to show you that if you take action, apply the training, and treat this like a real business, there's no reason you can't have success with IPS as well. Alright, so last night I received this email, notification of payment received. It came in at 9:28 p.m., about 21 hours ago, and it says, "Hello Russ, you received a payment of $300. This gentleman named Earl joined at the pro level and paid me $300. So congratulations, Earl. You're well on your way to making some good money online here. And I look forward to all your successes that you're going to have with this. So now Earl's going to get, and you will too if you join the pro membership, you're going to get a back office where they have all these different trainings and videos that you can watch. You're going to get 200 pre-written ads with 60 bonus images that you can use. You're going to get a 7-day action plan for success. You're going to have Facebook marketing mastery, Craigslist marketing, Instagram and marketing, YouTube automation, TikTok marketing, and there's so much in this back office. It's really a fail-proof system. If you actually take the time, go through this training, and then put it to work, there's no reason, like I said, you can't have success with this, okay? I'm using all free traffic methods. I built a list of over 180 people so far in just over a month's time, and I made some really good money with this, okay? So the system works. You just have to work the system. That's the main thing right here. If you'd like to learn more about this, there is a link down in the description box. You click on that, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. You simply enter your name, your email, you click, I want to make $300 a day. And then you're going to be taken over to another page that has a short video on it you can watch, and you can go through the page to see if this is something that you think is right for you. If you have any questions after watching the video, leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I just look forward to working with everybody, okay? This is a no-brainer. These are one-time payments that you make. There's no monthly fees. So, like I said, it doesn't get any easier than this, okay? So, also, I'll show you my list. Here is my $300 a day blueprint list. You can see it's IPS. I have 182 people on it, and that's just over a month's time. So, not only am I making money from the sales that I'm having with IPS, I'm also sending email blasts to my list here and making additional affiliate sales, okay? So, like I said, if you want something that's easy, whether you're a newbie or a veteran marketer like myself, then you need to check this out. It's simply copying and pasting high converting pre-written ads on your social media sites and following up with people who show interest, okay? That's all you have to do. Again, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you found any value in this video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. It helps me a great deal. Also, subscribe. I'd love to have you subscribe and check out all my videos. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I'll see you in the next video, and as always, peace be with you.